Ever wondered just how much you can actually spend with your Lloyd's debit card? It's a question many of us have, whether we're planning a big purchase, a day of shopping, or simply managing our everyday finances. Understanding the limits of your debit card is crucial for smooth transactions and avoiding any unexpected surprises. It's not always as straightforward as a single number, as different types of transactions often have different ceilings. So, let's break it down and explore the ins and outs of how much you can pay with your Lloyd's debit card. First off, let's talk about those everyday purchases. For standard contactless payments, you can generally tap and go for transactions up to £100. This is a pretty common limit across most UK banks and makes quick payments incredibly convenient. However, for added security, you might occasionally be asked to enter your PIN even for amounts under £100, especially after multiple consecutive contactless uses. What's more, Lloyds Bank offers a great feature allowing you to set your own contactless limit, anywhere between £30 and £95, if you prefer a lower threshold for your contactless transactions. This gives you extra control and peace of mind. Now, what about larger online purchases or transfers? If you're using internet banking or the mobile banking app to send money to another UK account via faster payments, you're typically looking at a daily limit of up to £25,000. This is a significant amount, suitable for most large online transactions like paying bills or transferring funds between accounts. It's important to remember that this limit is for each account and resets at 11:59 p.m. each day. You can easily check your remaining daily limit within the app or internet banking when you're making a payment, which is a very handy feature. For those times you need actual cash in hand, your Lloyds debit card also has ATM withdrawal limits. Generally, you can withdraw up to £800 per day from a cash machine. While this covers most daily cash needs, if you require a larger sum, you can visit a Lloyds Bank branch. In-branch cash withdrawals usually don't have a specific limit, but it's always a good idea to order very large amounts in advance to ensure the branch has the funds available. What if you need to make an even bigger payment, well beyond the typical online transfer limits? For exceptionally large payments, especially those exceeding £25,000 online, Lloyds offers options like SHAPS payments. These can be initiated in a branch and typically don't have a maximum limit, making them suitable for things like property purchases or other very substantial transfers. Do keep in mind that SHAPS payments usually incur a fee. It's also worth noting that specific account types, such as under 19s or private bank accounts, might have different limits. So, if you fall into one of those categories, it's always best to double-check your specific terms. And while your debit card is incredibly versatile for use abroad, remember that foreign transaction fees may apply when you're shopping or withdrawing cash outside the UK. Understanding these different limits and how to manage them can really empower you to make the most of your Lloyds debit card. Whether it's adjusting your contactless spending, knowing your daily transfer capacity, or planning for a large cash withdrawal, a little knowledge goes a long way. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.